Welcome everyone to Ogeechee Technical College, where purpose meets opportunity. A small but mighty institution, OTC has earned national recognition for excellence in technical training, offering in-demand programs like cybersecurity, health sciences, and advanced manufacturing. Beyond that, OTC offers incredibly unique programs such as fish and wildlife management and funeral service education. Ogeechee Tech has locations in Screven County and Evans County, as well as the main campus located in the heart of the award-winning college town, Statesboro, Georgia. It's home to a vibrant campus culture, a welcoming community, and it's just an hour drive from historic Savannah and the beautiful beaches of coastal Georgia. OTC's mission is clear: prepare students for success in an ever-evolving workforce. From high-tech labs to real-world clinical and industry experiences, Ogeechee Tech is where passion becomes profession. I'm your host, Alex Boylan, and over the next half hour, we'll meet 10 remarkable students, each with a unique story about how OTC has prepared these students for the local workforce and how it's helping them reach their fullest potential. Welcome to Ogeechee Technical College. This is the College Tour.